Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 27th June 2024. The Goods and Services Tax Council's recent recommendation to introduce an amendment allowing the government to overrule retrospective tax demands has sparked hope among India's cash-rich real money gaming companies. These firms, including Gameskraft, Dream11, Games 24/7, and Head Digital Works, face a staggering cumulative GST demand of approximately Rs 1 lakh crore, largely due to retrospective tax assessments. Income Tax Department releases Complete Income Tax Act 1961 PDF with Finance Act 2024 amendments. In a significant move ahead of the Union Budget, the general insurance sector has received a substantial relief amounting to over Rs 18,000 crore. The GST Council has decided to drop the hefty tax demand that had been imposed on insurers, providing much needed respite to the industry. The General Insurance Council, the apex body of general insurance companies in India, announced the relief measures. These include the cancellation of GST demands on co-insurance and reinsurance commissions, as well as on reinsurance for crop insurance schemes. This decision is expected to bring substantial benefits to both insurers and farmers. In one of the shortest spectrum auction which concluded in less than 1.5 days, Bharti Airtel sprang a surprise by acquiring the maximum airwaves at Rs 6,857 crore. It bought a total of 97 MHz spectrum in 900 MHz, 1800 MHz and 2100 MHz bands. Despite being overshadowed by their rapidly growing tech advisory business, the management consulting arms of Deloitte, EY, PwC and KPMG, aka the Big Four, are now registering strong growth driven by increased demand for multifunctional expertise, strong client relationships, and a favorable price-value proposition compared with other high-end rivals in the space. At the Big Four, the total number of partners engaged in strategy, operations, and the top end of digital advisory, typically dominated by firms like McKinsey, BCG and Bain, stands close to 300, with consultant numbers at 5,500 to 6,000. Collectively, these firms generate Rs 3,300 to Rs 3,500 crore in revenue from pure management consulting mandates. EY leads with a Rs 1,300 crore plus top line. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.